People think fat loss needs long cardio, running, sweating, jumping, but what if I told you one static move can burn fat silently? No jumping, no noise, no equipment, just holding your body still. This is plank. Plank looks easy, but your body doesn't know the difference. When you hold a plank, your core, chest, shoulders, glutes, legs, everything stays active. At the same time, your muscles are fighting gravity, your heart rate goes up, your metabolism switches on. That's when fat burning starts. Plank is not about movement, it's about tension, and tension burns energy. When you hold a plank, your body uses stored fat to keep you stable, to keep you alive in that position. That's why plank is powerful for fat loss. Most people fail plank because they do it wrong. They drop their hips, they raise their hips, they hold their breath. That kills fat burning. Here's the correct way: elbows under shoulders, core tight like someone is about to punch you. Squeeze your glutes, breathe slowly now. Hold first 20 seconds, your body is confused. After 30 seconds, your core wakes up. After 45 seconds, fat burning accelerates. At 60 seconds, your whole body is working. This is where change happens. If you want fat loss, don't do plank once, do it daily. Start with 30 seconds rest, then another 30 seconds. Total 3 minutes is enough. Yes, just 3 minutes. Do plank after waking up or after workout or before sleep. Consistency matters more than duration. Plank doesn't just burn fat, it fixes posture, flattens belly, strengthens lower back. A strong core means better workouts, better movement, better fat loss. No excuses, no gym, no equipment, just your body and the floor. Hold the plank, let the fat burn, and let discipline grow. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel. Also like this video and text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.